Welcome back, YouTubers, and today we're going to be using this. It's called crystal coating, and it restores all the car's interior back to its original colours. I bought this off of Amazon. I'll put the pricing and everything down in the comments later. So I've already done one door on the driver's side, wait to treat. So I'm going to be doing this door today and the rest of the interiors. So let's give it a go.
Why look like this when you can wow like this?
Probably can't tell on the video, but it has made a massive difference, that stuff. I would recommend it to anybody. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.